Okay, so we need this COVID app to work, and some people have Apple phones, which is a little bit unreliable for the app until they do an update, and others are concerned about their security on using their phone. So we have a solution here. I've got an Apple, so use it for making phone calls and all my apps, and if I'm worried about the government getting hold of all the information, well, leave it there. Get yourself another phone, old Android somewhere, and this is what we do. So I have a Samsung S5 here. It doesn't have a SIM card, so we've got no mobile number in it. All you need is Bluetooth. So I would start by first going in and doing a factory reset on it, because that way you just reduce battery usage and well, so we go to backup and reset, and then do a factory data reset. Now I've already done one, so we don't actually need to do this. Once it's reset, go and find the COVID app and install that on the phone. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then always carry this phone around with you when you visit the shops or anything like that. It'll be your and when you register your phone number on your actual mobile. This doesn't have a phone number anyway, but that way they'll ring you on your mobile if you've come in contact with someone who has COVID. So you could put a custom battery alert on that, so that it'll warn you before it. I'll just get that in focus. So you can set a battery alert to be at 50%, just so you get good warning to keep it charged up. And that's what you just carry around in your handbag or whenever you go shopping. Okay.